Hello friends, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we are going to see how you can install your blog in a subdomain like something like blog.minsra.com. So we'll go through the entire process and we'll be following the process on cPanel. But in case you don't have cPanel, you have Panel. The process will be same. The steps will be same. The interface, the user look and feel may be different. Okay, first of all, it's time to switch to Jupyter theme. If you are having cPanel and if you're switching to Jupyter, you will not get the subdomain option. So please beware, do not install or switch to Jupyter. If you want to do this, you will have to switch to the current theme and then you will be able to do this step. First of all, you'll need to find for subdomain. So I'll just click on sub and I'll right click and open it in a new tab. Now here we have it. Now I'll do it for this domain cpanel.org. So I'll just write in blog cpanel.org. I don't have to write a dot. That will give me an error. Here I can select the directory where I want it to be. I'll just do it in cpanel.org/blog. So we'll have a blog directory in which this will be pointing, but it will open as blog.cpanel.org. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly create this. Okay, once I create this, once it's created, the next step we can do is we can quickly verify if this has been created successfully or not. So I'll just move here. I click on blog.cpanel.org, and yes, we can see the default page. Here we can see the cPanel. So this has been created. In case it does not have that, what will happen is you'll see something like this. So in case if you are seeing a DNS address error after adding the subdomain, you require to create connect your domain to the hosting properly. Maybe you can connect with your hosting support team, and they will help you to do that. Okay, great. So since this is done, next what we'll do in the next step we will install WordPress in this specific subdomain. So for that, I'll go to the here and I'll type for WordPress managed by Softaculous. Just click on that. Now I'll click on install, and here I can select the. So I'll select the subdomain name here, blog.cpanel.org. I don't want it in the WP directory. I want it in the main directory. So I'll put in the main directory. The trusted SSL certificate was not found. This could be the case if your website may take some time, your hosting may take some time to add SSL to your subdomain. So that should be fixed soon. That should not be a problem. So you can just select this and then you can just go down. You can add the site admin and the admin password. Okay, and I'll just keep it simple here because I'll be deleting this any which ways, so I'll not keep it very complicated. Here you can add your admin email address. Once this is done, you can simply select the theme if you want to, and you can directly click on install. Once you do that, you'll be seeing checking the submitted data, and we'll just pause the video by the time. Okay, so this installation is done. Now if you just go to the blog.cpanel.org, we can see the SSL has been installed and we can see the default theme which is there. Now I can simply log in to the WP admin with the set credentials, and we are sorted. Great. So that's all for this video. You can check out the next video here and continue learning. Thanks for your time.